Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll discuss how you can integrate a particular link with the admin menu. So in one of my previous videos, I talked about how you can create a Magento admin menu, but I didn't talk about how you can insert a certain URL so that if someone is clicking on that particular admin menu, how we can redirect it to a certain page within the Magento admin. So in today's video, I'll talk about it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, this is my namespace and this is the module name. The very first file that I'll be opening is that is the etc and admin HTML. Then what you have to do, you have to click on menu. Already have opened that file for you. So what you can see over here is that, so let me first show you how it's gonna look. So as you can see, this is the Mage Digest demo. This is the particular menu that we are going to create it. Okay, so for this what you have to do is that you have to simply create a menu.xml, and for that what you have to do extra for that is that you have to add this particular line, that is action is equals to, this is the router name, this is the controller name, and this is the action method. So whenever you will click on that particular admin menu, this particular action method will be triggered. Fine with this. So this is nothing but a single admin menu with a parent. Okay, so this is the parent, that is the Mage Digest demo hello world, and this is the particular menu that I have created it. Okay, and in that what I have done is that, so see the difference, the first one, that is a parent. So the parent is this one, this particular menu, and if I click on it, a side panel will open up and a sub menu will be showing up. Now this particular thing, that is the manage posts, this is the second one. So how you can link it, you have to simply, let me just expand it. So see, this is the parent menu and this is the sub menu. What you have to do extra is that you have to include this one. So that means this particular menu is a sub menu of this. Okay, so this parent menu is nothing but the ID of this one, that is this one, the parent menu, and along with that what you have to do is you have to insert this action. Okay, now what, see, three things I have told over here is that one is the router name, controller, and the action method. So simply what you have to do, you have to create a router. So underneath the same admin HTML, you have to create routes.xml, since it's a Magento admin router. So what you have to do, ID should be admin, and this is the ID, router ID should be admin, and route ID should be demo, anything you can give, and the front name. So for simplicity, you should always keep the route ID and the route and the front name to be same, and the module name. So this is the router that we have declared over here, demo. Now what we have to do, we have to create a controller. The controller name is post. So what you have to do, create a controller, admin HTML, post is the controller name, and what is the action method, that is the index. So you have to create a index.php. So that means whenever you click on that, it will come over here and this particular execute method will be triggered. Now what it will do from here is that it will call the result page factory. Okay, and we will try to return it. So what you have to do, you have to create another folder, that is the view folder. Since it's admin Magento admin, so you have to create admin HTML. You have to create two directories, one is layout and one is templates. So if you don't have like I believe you know, like a particular page is made up of certain layouts. Okay, and in that layouts we have blocks of HTML and template files. Fine, so this is the layout. So the layout name should be as same as we have declared, that is the router name, the controller name, and the action method. Okay, so demo post index. So when you click on it, so this is the layout file, reference container, and this is the block, this is the base block, that is the element template block, and you have to give some name and the template. Okay, so this is the template, that is Mage Digest, that a module name, and demo.html should be underneath my templates directory. If there is any other folder, that you have to simply write over here and create the same underneath the templates. Since we are creating directly into the, like this file demo.html is directly into this templates, that's why there is, we don't have to give anything. Okay, now what you have to do is simply click on this demo.html. You can write anything over here as you wish. So I've written some h1 heading. Okay, so I think with that I have declared I've shown you that how to create a router. I've shown you the controller, I've shown you the index method, I've shown you the layout, the PHTML. Okay, I think that's it. So what you have to do when you are done with this, you have to simply go to the Magento admin, click on this, it will open up. When you click on this particular menu, then it will redirect you to a page. See, you got that right. So this is the same thing that you have written in the PHTML. So over here in this video I've just shown you how you can link a particular URL and how those layouts and template files are interlinked. So in this particular page you can create grids. Okay, so by any chance if you don't know how to create a grid, so maybe in the future I'll try to create one video how to create a custom grid in Magento admin. So in this particular page you can do whatever you feel like, whatever structure you want. You can create your own page consisting of grids and all. Yeah, so this is all in today's video. So if you have any queries, anything, you can drop in the comment section, and if you want me to make certain to cover certain topics, you can also mention it over there. I'll take it right from there and I'll try to cover it as soon as possible. So I think thanks for watching my video, and if you like it, please do hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed it yet, you can clearly hit the subscribe button as well, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be getting the notifications the next time I'll be uploading a new video. So with that, take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.